with you. Welcome to Krystal Traders Hub. Last week we commenced our 20 trade challenge. There we're intentional about taking trades, analyzing how far we had gone with our strategy, analyzing our win rates, and that was the sole essence of taking the 20 trade challenge. Okay, we took a couple of trades. We had some SAU USD, that's gold USD pair, offering us some buying opportunity, which we took, and it was a success. We also looked at the JPYs, like the CHF JPYs we took, and we ended up being successful. However, the last 2 days we had not really spotted some very good signals to trade, but we actually are concerned about the USD CHF we had taken that ended up in a loss. Yes, we took that trade having identified the market structure. We did a top-down analysis and confirmed within the 4-hour time frame, looking at the Fibonacci, and we ended up taking a sell order. Okay, we took that sell order. Initially it was going in our direction. All of a sudden the market reversed and we got hit. Our stop loss actually got hit and we lost, just like you find on your screen now. So that brings me to what very important point I wish to highlight today, that as a trader, you want to bear in mind that this is a game of profit. It's a business. Like, being a trader is more like you being in business. There are days that you're going to end up in profit. There are days you're going to end up having to endure some amount of losses. So yesterday was just one of those days we had to contend with our loss, and we took that in good faith. So as a trader, you want to understand that there are days you're going to have to contend with your losses. And in fact, there are some traders that trade with the mindset of, oh, I don't want to lose, I don't want to lose. No, there are times you're going to lose some amount of money. That is for sure. That's going to happen. But I need you to imbibe this psychology within you. Once you lose a trade, please stay out of the market. And that's exactly what we had done. Once you lose any trade, or maybe you weren't so comfortable with that loss, you stay out of the market and try to get your emotions together, get yourself together, get your psychology together, so that you're able to do more or better analysis than what you had taken that resulted in a loss. So we actually stayed out of the market, in as much as we didn't actually identify possible entry signals. So we took our loss. So as a trader, you want to understand that you must have to endure losses when they come. Now, that brings me to the next point I wish to highlight. Now, if you look at the chart or look at the outcome of our trades, we've traded the CHF JPY about thrice or so, and it ended up being in a profit. So that goes to highlight my earlier point that if there are trades that actually give you what you want, like there are some trades that give you what you want, like there are some trades that when you're just taking them, you're almost 90% sure that eventually this is going to go in your favor. Just like the Japanese yen I've always highlighted. Please take note of that. Those of you that are trading the Japanese yen, yes, keep trading the Japanese yen, because the Japanese yen has been depreciating over time. So you always go bullish with all the pairs that includes the USD JPY is still very bullish. Currently selling at 159.63 or thereabout. So it's still being projected to sell higher, go to as high as 165 or thereabout. So you want to hold your positions, you want to increase your leverage, you want to add up to your positions and milk the market. So that's exactly what you want to do with the JPY pairs. Last week we got an information from the Bank of Japan that they are yet to commence bond buying once again, and of course this is a downward pressure on the Japanese yen, which just like you see in your chart, the Japanese yen has further weakened, and it's still going to weaken in due course. It's going to weaken further. Right now, you want to contrast the Japanese yen and the Japanese officials with the Fed. Fed has been hawkish lately. They've always remained resolute. They've been insisting that okay, we are not going to cut interest rates anytime soon. So you're looking at the policy divergence. It tells you that it's going to keep being bullish for the USD JPY. So you want to enter and become so strategic in your position. So what am I trying to imply here? Now we have taken that trade, we lost, right? So but as a trader, you want to say, okay, fine, and next time I'm going to go in for my short trade. What's that short trade? I'm going to wait for the JPYs. USD JPY, CAD JPY, Euro JPY, NZD JPY. All of the JPYs are going to just go in there and buy. But before I buy, remember you want to do your risk management. You want to identify your structure. Okay. Normally, what you want to do, you just wait for some minor pullbacks. If there are pullbacks, of course, we know pullbacks are opportunities for us to go into the market and buy. So wait for pullback. It's going to eventually come. Once it comes, seize that opportunity, get into the market. And just like I said, if you look at that trade we had lost, I actually used a very small lot size because it's not really in my nature to take very high lot size on trades like that. But if it's the JPYs or maybe gold, of course, I'm almost certain that this has been bullish and this is going to go in my favor. So I'm going to cover up my loss and take that very big lot size and off I go. So that's exactly what happened. So it's been more like a Father Xmas party with the JPY. So seize the opportunity, get in there with the right mindset, get in there with the right structure, and take your trades. Okay, that's exactly what I have for us today. So let's see if opportunities present themselves tomorrow. Why not? We're going to take our trade, and should we do any trades tomorrow, we will do well to let us know. So for now, I'm going to be leaving you with this video, and do well to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that so many persons will get the information we're passing across. Just like I said, the highlight of today's information is pay attention to the JPYs. Pay attention. The Japanese debt it's not looking like fizzling away anytime soon, so it's going to keep depreciating. So take advantage while it lasts. Okay, so until then, if you've got any comments, if there's any aspect of this video you feel you need more explanation, please do well to leave a comment below, and I will do well to respond to you. Until then, do have for yourself a sleep night rest. Bye.